Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked on multiplexers. The Boolean expression of the output F of the multiplexer shown below means here they have given one multiplexer of size 4 by 1 mux and which is having 4 inputs as it is a 4 by 1 multiplexer and it is going to have 2 selector lines and one its respect to output. They are asking here as what is the function F reference, right? Yes. So how first input is selected? First input is going to be selected as S1 bar S0 bar into I0 input 0 and S1 bar S0 into I1 S1 into S0 bar into input 2 S1 into S0 into input 3 input, right? Now try to substitute the value, right? So basically it is I am trying to write in small letters P bar Q bar input 0 I0 is R plus P bar into Q into I1 is R bar plus P into Q bar into I2 is again R bar plus P into Q into I3 is R, right? Substitute this one, right? So what we can do, P bar Q bar into R, so which I can get some expression here. So I need to minimize it, right? So if I need to minimize it, it's better to go with the K-maps. So as here 3 variables are there, I can go with the 3 variable K-map. P, Q, R, this is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Right? Now this one represents 0, 0, 1, 1 and second minterm represents 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 is this position. Third minterm 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Fourth minterm is 1, 1, 1. Guys, how can you combine to get maximum subcube of size? No, there is no chance, right? Every individual term I can get maximum subcube of size, right? So have you gone through this kind of like K-map anywhere? Yes, right? When we are trying to solve it for full adder, we come across this kind of expression, right? So simply when you are going to get this kind of expressions, you can just make use of XOR operation. So XOR operation is P XOR with Q XOR with R. So answer will be option B. I hope you understood clearly.